Hi, Jade. I just wanted to go over this assignment with you. So it looks like you've resubmitted it, and the looks like you missed out on step number 13. Okay, so this is change the scale of the total revenue access to go from 3.5 million to 5 million in intervals of 250,000. So the way that we do that is come back up here. Okay, yeah, here we go. So if I highlight the scale over here, it automatically brings up this format access option over here. So the minimum we want is 3500,123, and then the maximum we want is 5000,000. And then the major unit we want to use here for the intervals is going to be 250000, and then let's get rid of these guys here. And we close that. You can kind of see that now it goes from 3.5 million to 5 million. Okay, and you can kind of see where this line actually gets moved to. So those are the two changes that you needed to make for this particular chart. Now up here at the top, let's just go check out that. That was on the second page, page 252. Market analysis, add gradient fill orange data bars, B5 through B9, and set the maximum value to be 0.6. So the way that we do that is, so if we highlight this and we go into conditional formatting, it looks like you kind of got this part of it. Gradient fill, it doesn't really matter, but it looks like that's what it's wanting. And then what I do here, after I have it created, is I go back up to the conditional formatting. There's probably other ways to do this. I manage the rules, and if you don't see what you're looking for, just do the entire worksheet. And there's my data bar. And if I edit the rule, the maximum value, let's see. Okay, so the maximum number here is going to be 0.6. And then watch what happens over here when we choose OK and OK, is it changes that just a bit. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is, this is where our sparklines are going to go. And if we go back to the instruction set here, it says in the range C5 through C9, insert line sparklines based on B15 through F19 of the market tables worksheet. Okay, so we're going to put the sparklines here, but the let's see, B15 through F19 there, B15 through F19 are going to be what we're going to use to make that. So if we come back to our market analysis, we've got it highlighted. We go to Insert, and we're looking for sparklines. And I'd probably give you credit for any of these, but if we pick the line, so the data range is what we're looking for here. We need to click this guy, go back to our market tables, highlight the B15 through F19, click back on that little box. This is where it's going to go. Choose OK. And that's kind of what those sparklines are going to look like. You could change the design of them if you wanted to up here. It doesn't really matter to me. Sparkline colors, you could probably change those colors if you wanted to do that. But that's kind of what this is supposed to look like. So looks like you've got some sort of fill color going on here. We don't really need a fill color behind there for the data bars. So data bars, sparklines, and then we've adjusted the total revenue axis, and that gives us those $250,000 increments, and it establishes the lowest number. It starts at 3.5 million and goes up to 5 million. So there's a bunch of stuff below there in this chart that's not actually displaying on this screen. So you're actually kind of manipulating the data. But if you're trying to show the upper end of the units sold in revenue, this would be the right way to do it. So hopefully this will help you kind of see how to do this. Let me know if you have questions though. Thanks, Jade.